Hi everyone. Did you know that exploring underwater and working around dams can be really dangerous? Yes. Over the years, many scientists and engineers have lost their lives while trying to study what's happening below, deep under the ground, near the water.
That's right. Sometimes dam failures happen suddenly and people don't have enough time to react. In fact, some dam incidents have caused thousands of deaths worldwide, and underwater research is just too risky. Divers face strong currents, low visibility, and sometimes even equipment failures. It's not just about the numbers, it's about real people. But what if we could use technology to do this dangerous work instead?
That's exactly our idea. By using smart drones, we can keep our people safe and still learn all we need to know about our dams and underwater environment. Our idea is to have a small drone, like a submarine, that goes underwater to dams and checks if they need any repair and have any damage. Many scientists predict that AI may take over the world, so we thought, why not use it to our advantage and save the human lives? So we made our drone smarter with AI capabilities. It can detect even the smallest cracks, even if they're within the walls.
So let us imagine a future where no one has to risk their life for research because our drones can dive deep, explore, and send back all the information we need.
Thank you.